Snow, snow, snow. She's coming down. It's kind of stormed this morning. Then it calmed down. The sun almost came out, but now she's snowing again. So we got the old work truck. We got Jaybird. We got the quad and the potato gun. So what we're thinking today, we're gonna rip the quad for a bit, and then we're gonna rip the truck. I'm also gonna do a goon riding video, but that's gonna be separate. But we're gonna rip the truck, tear it right up, and then drive through some fire.
Nice.
Should we light it on fire or just drive through fire?
Try to light it on fire.
Yeah.
Burn the clear coat.
Why not, right? It's time for a trade-in anyway, so. This is dirty. Whew. There's your Rockstar.
It's actually not bad.
Which one's that, the vanilla?
The vanilla one, yeah.
Delicious. I got a full stock the other day. I went over to Pepsi and picked her up, so the fridge is good to go.
It's full.
Well, let's warm up that quad, fill it up with some gas, get the potato gun, fill it up with some gas, and head down the track and see what we can do. Hopefully she's not too windy down there. I don't think it'll be too bad.
No.
Truck purrs like a kitten. We haven't taken a new truck or a new vehicle through fire yet.
That
but
V6.
Yeah. The V6. It's faster than Brad's V8.
Is
so
that?
Don't tell him that.
Oh.
He'll never admit it, but
Then you went from a V6 to a V8.
I convinced him to get a V8 and then I switched to a V6. Because that's the kind of guy I am. Oh well, she runs good and it's better on fuel. Everyone's like, oh, it's not going to be better on fuel. You're going to drive the crap out of it. Actually, I got like 200 more kilometers to a tank, so. Whew. All right, let's load up and head down. Okay, just headed down there, down the track. We've got the quad warming up. And we're going to head down there. Look at the weapon, turn like a kitten. Let's roll. She is a little breezy down here today. Not too bad though, we're still going to rip it up. Still got the cars over there, gotta get rid of those. Quad's ready to rock, so let's take the quad out for a rip, then we'll take the truck for a rip, and we'll drive through some fire. Woo! Alright. Alright. There you go. He knows a little more about driving clutch than Brad. The old KTM thing runs well. Don't hit the truck. Just a ripping. Such a beauty day. You gotta get out and enjoy these days. Could be raining sideways, right? She definitely doesn't get as much traction as a 4x4 quad, that's for sure. But she does alright in the snow, actually. I'm surprised. You can set the tires on that thing. Where'd he go? There he is. Oh, hit something. It's still pretty slippery underneath. It's a bit frozen and a bit muddy, but not bad?
Ah!
I got my key in a weird spot. I got it up here.
It does have a key.
Yeah, I know. How was it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, pretty good?
No traction, but
No
not bad.
traction. Hey, at least you're getting somewhere though.
Oh yeah.
Whew.
Well, she's good. Works good.
Runs like a kitten.
It does.
Purrs
yeah.
like a kitten.
Purrs like a
Like it's up. After Brad broke it,
Yeah.
frickin' guy. Always breaking all my stuff. So
having
far, he
fun.
smashed a few cars. He broke the quad. He broke the dolly on the sled. He rolled the side by side.
What next?
I'm gonna cut him off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start breaking all his stuff. So we ripped the truck. We've ripped the quad. Now it's time to drive the truck through fire. So let's fire it up, get her going, see how she rips. Bit of snow down here still. She's coming down. We just ripped the quad. How's that?
Pretty good.
Good. She runs.
Runs good, I think.
Didn't get stuck. She's no
Well,
4x4, but
Yeah.
she'll run like a dog.
Didn't wreck no drive shafts.
Oh yeah, you bent your drive shaft on the Polaris, eh?
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to upgrade now. Yeah.
Anyways, we got the old Ford here. We're gonna do a few donuts, a few snow nuts, and we're gonna drive through some fire with it, and then we'll wrap her up for the day and get out of here. Oh, I'm still out of breath. We just did the goon riding and everything, so. Anyway, should we fire the weapon up?
You can try.
She doesn't, the old EcoBoost, she doesn't really like cold weather, so. But you know, once it's going, you gotta prime the pump and stuff. Woo! Alright. Better put my seatbelt on for this. So yeah, you just gotta prime the pump. You know, rub the dash a little bit. You know, you gotta let the glow plugs warm up. These Fords, you know. Alright, she should be good now. Oh yeah, there she goes. Better turn traction control off too.
Be an idea.
Yeah. Well, let's roll. Just ripping and the tearing.
Pretty sweet.
I don't want to rip up the field too much. This is a hay field, but you know, it'll grow back pretty quick. It's still winter, so a weapon that runs well. Alright, should we warm her up a bit more, head over, throw some gas on it, light it on fire?
Sounds good to me.
Let's roll.
Let's burn this Ford.
Junk. Job well done. We drove through some fire. She's still going over there. Oh, didn't even harm the old truck. How was it?
Oh, amazing. I was like, where am I going?
Was it warm?
Oh yeah.
That's
Look,
crazy,
you can
eh?
see
I didn't want to shoot like the front. I figured I'd just shoot like up here, so. But yeah, she's all good.
That was cool.
It's all for the video, right? Is it a little rough down here?
Oh yeah. She bumpy.
You bumpy?
Hard time getting traction, but we made her.
Oh, good thing she's an EcoBoost.
Yeah, good thing.
Just another beauty day in paradise here. We're just getting the weapons all cleaned up. After a little fun at the track. We'll wrap things up for the day. It's definitely a nice day out, but I'm ready for some warmer weather. I want to jump some cars, do the burnouts, rip doors off, light stuff on fire, shoot stuff, everything. So she actually didn't get too muddy there. Nothing a little highway grind won't wash off, mostly just grass. So we'll get this thing a little cleaner, and then we'll head up to the house and wrap things up for the day. The quad is clean. Look at this thing. Who wants to win this quad? Subscribe. 408,000 subscribers, we'll give it away. Alright, let's keep rolling. Bit of powder. Clean the quad up. Well, got the mud off it at least. It's still gonna get a little dirty from driving back, but the Ford, she didn't light on fire too bad. She didn't explode, so that's always a win. I've been meaning to do that for a while. Look how clean it is. Ooh, sparkly. Just wash her up. Yeah, we were talking about doing it for a while. I was like, I don't really want to. And I was like, you know what? Whatever. They make new trucks every day. So we drove her through fire. It didn't harm anything. It's for the video. It's for your thumbnail. Or it's for the thumbnail. You're only as good as your last thumbnail, as Roman Atwood would say. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any suggestions for other videos, people have been reminding me about the quad giveaways. So I'm going to put a deadline on it now. It's before the end of 2018. So if I reach 408,000 subscribers before the end of the year, I'll give this bad boy away. So if you want to enter in, just make sure to subscribe and leave lots of comments. So, all right, we'll wrap her up. Thank you guys for watching. Those are some trippy lights. It's like a freaking rave. It's weird how you can only see it on camera though. To the naked eye, it looks normal. Anyways, thank you guys again. We'll see ya later.